Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you ANSQUE smarter, safer and simpler wireless security camera. This has, as you see, a solar panel and it has a base. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. Here we have the quick start guide. Now we have 4 packs, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's check this side. Here is the solar panel area. And we need to mount it on the wall, and you can turn it however you like. Let's check the others. Here we have LED lights, sensor, and the camera. Here is the base, speaker, and the LED light right there. And adapter for the base, screw pads, Ethernet cable, charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. We have 4 of them. And we have the guidance stickers. Let's go ahead and install the application on my iPad. Now it's active. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on all of them one by one. And now it's on. When we check the back side, you can see USB-C there. First of all, you need to charge it, and when it has enough charge, you can continue with the solar panel. Here's the power button right there. Wait a little bit and it's gonna turn on. Now it's on. Here is the reset button. Again, this is the third one.
Hello.
And here is the last one.
Hello.
We can go ahead and add 4 of them and then continue. It automatically found it and we're just gonna go ahead and add. It also found all 4 cameras and it is just adding over there. It added all of them. Now you can see all of them are added. It took me about 15 seconds to add all of them. Let's go ahead and check the cameras one by one. We have 4 cameras. This is the first one. The quality is awesome. And Ultra HD SD illumination. How about the light? Right now there is already light. That's why it's not turning on. Let's go ahead and change the tone. Hello. And you can check the history on the playback. Let's go back. Check the settings. And there's motion detection, auto alarm, night vision, and it is working with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Let's check the other cameras one by one. And here is the other camera. How about this? Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put them outside and show you the quality, how it's working. Here is my backyard. I put one right there. And then one is right there. That's the farthest away from my house. This camera is compact and it has discreet design. It is small and low profile build. It is ideal for corner installations and covered monitoring. This camera restricts video coverage to protect neighbor privacy. Let's go ahead and check out how you're gonna set up the neighbor privacy on the application. Here is our application. Let's go to settings and then we're gonna go to privacy settings right there, privacy zones, and we can go ahead and edit privacy. These areas, as you see, those are my neighbors' houses. And let's go ahead and add region, and I can go ahead and add one here and then change it from there to here. Right now, I'm not gonna watch over there or it's not gonna record anything. You can add another region right here if you need it, but right now I don't need it. You see that's black. Maybe you can add one more over here, but you're not able to record anything there. Let's continue. Done. Let me go ahead and check. You see, this is awesome. I can't see anything. Let's go ahead and try to do the alarm. Auto alarm, I enabled it. Motion detection right there. And then detection zone. I'm gonna go ahead and add a region here, right there. If anyone comes, you know, maybe right here, and then right there, somewhere. If someone is trying to jump over my fence, basically it's gonna alarm. Say done. Alarm, auto alarm. Right there, correct. And there is one more thing, it is charging because there is sun outside. Let's go ahead and go outside and show you if the alarm it's gonna be on or not when I pass around over here or walk around over here. Let's see. Oops. Right. It's on. That's too loud, by the way. There's an alarm event going on at your solar camera. Let's check the front ones. And one is there. Here is the other one. Right there. Let's go ahead and check it out inside. And let me show you my base. Here is my door. And the base is right there. Let's check how fast we're gonna get the video. Here we have all 4 cameras here. And there is sunlight outside. All of them 100%. Let's go ahead and check the backyard. It is very fast, insanely fast. You see, here is the full screen. We can see all the details. This is Ultra HD, and we can go ahead and switch it to SD. Then Ultra HD. You can see the difference. How about the second camera? That's the farthest away from my house. Still, it is fast. You can see all the details. Let's go back. Awesome. How about the last one? You see. Let's go back and check all the features. Another great thing is you can see all the cameras in one application. You see, that's also great. Whichever you like, you can just tap on it. And then right there, arrow. Whichever you like to see, you're just gonna press on the arrows and you can see. And also you can hear the sound. You can take a picture. You can record a video. Also, you can even reply with these. Please put the package at the door. Thank you. What are you doing over there? Please get out of here now. Let's go back. And there is also smart security, away mode, home mode, turn off devices, turn on devices. If you want to go outside at night, if you don't want the alarm on, basically you can turn them off in one click. And then you can turn all on. If you're away, just one click. If you're home, one click. When we go to the profile, you can see account management and you can share the device. There is also cloud recording and other settings. I'm gonna go ahead and show you during the nighttime, and we're gonna compare day and nighttime. Now it's nighttime and it already saw me. Now let's go ahead and check the cameras. These are the backyard cameras and these are the front yard. What about this one? This camera is right there. Let's check the other camera. I put it right there. It is just watching me. It's right here. I'm gonna go ahead and move around. It's right there. And I'm right here. I'm in the backyard right now. Let me go ahead and turn on the lights and check it out. It is night vision. There is 8x digital zoom. How about this? It is very clear. And let me turn off the lights. Now the light is off and the camera is right there and the other one is right there. And let me go ahead and move around. It is a little bit windy outside. I may go and walk around. Right now I cannot see anything, but the camera sees everything. How about the other camera? Let's go ahead and check. Here is the other one. Right there. See? It's right here. I can definitely suggest these cameras. It's because it has a great quality of the video. You see, there is no lagging or anything. How about the light? Now we can check the light. It is very strong. And also it is working with Alexa and Google Home. And there is voice alert.
Hey, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
And you can also check the playback. You see, you can share the devices and motion detection. There is human only detection zone. You can just put some region, and whoever or whatever it's passing over there, it's gonna alarm. Night vision, black and white, color night vision. And as I said it before, Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Since we have 4 cameras, you can see all of them here. All of them are live right now, and you can also hear the sound. There is two-way audio talk, and there is smart security area, away mode, home, turn off devices and turn it on. And it is also a solar panel. That's why you don't need any cables or wires. There is cloud option if you want. You can use that, and the quality is awesome. Check this out. Let me go ahead and test the siren, one of them. Ooh, it is very loud.